What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Look in the right hand corner, guys. There's a little red box, a little square that says subscribe. Please subscribe, like the video, please, and thank you. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we are back. Before we get into it, I want to do a quick review on DWP, Digital Wealth Pros. Before we get into it, I want to talk about this system. Okay, real quick, just to let you know, Mega Marketing Pro is a free marketing system generating full-time incomes from home. I love the way they put all this together. This system is free. Now, I want to address an email that I got before we get into it real quick. Someone sent me an email. I'm not sure what they were listening to, but guys, you have to pay attention here. They're saying they subscribed. They no longer want to subscribe to the Mega Marketing Pro. They thought it was free, but it's not free. So I'm not sure what they're seeing, how they're seeing it. This program is free. The Mega Marketing Pro system is free. Inside the Mega Marketing Pro system it leads you into Leads Leap. Okay, right here. They've been around since 2008. Leads Leap, look at this very clear. They give you a free membership. They also have a pro paid membership. It's your choice. You can select the free or the pro. The pro is $23, but you don't have to select the pro to connect with Mega Marketing Pro. Mega Marketing Pro system. You can use the free Leads Leap version, guys. It says it right here on their website. So I'm not sure what someone was trying to say here. Now, of course, inside of Mega Marketing Pro, okay, read over this website. Okay, my link is inside of this system. Go check it out. Mega Marketing Pro is a lead magnet program that's going to lead people into your primary business. So inside the back office of Mega Marketing Pro, this is where we're connecting our programs that you have to pay to join. Okay, so I'm promoting Digital Wealth Pros, IPS, etc. All those programs are plugged in to the back office. So if you go in there and you see those, yes, those programs you would have to pay to get started. But the Mega Marketing Pro system, the Leads Leap system, is free unless you upgrade Leads Leap Pro. So Leads Leap Pro, okay, you can get the regular one. Okay, see right here, it says get your free membership. So anyway, wanted to clear that up. Not sure what this person was talking about, but those two are free. If you want to upgrade, you can with Leads Leap. All right, so let's get into this real quick. All right, so again, I'm speaking on this because it is a free leads magnet that you can use to promote your primary business. So if you're in Digital Wealth Pros, guys, this is another way to get leads, collect leads, and a system that you can give away for free to get people into DWP or just to give away. Okay, but this is a great way to lead people in because when they see this, they don't know what's on the inside. Okay, but when they opt in, let me show you what they see here. Hang on a second. See, when they opt in, see, it tells me I'm already logged in. When they opt in, it's telling them right here, and that video right here is going to tell them, hey, this system is free. Okay, and then when they go further down, which is what I'm going to show you, this is what's being offered initially, the free book and the system. So they have to register at the top, which is what you saw above, the order form, fill that out. Then down here is where your first business opportunity that you plug into the system would be. So if you had DWP as business opportunity number 1 in your back office, this is what they're going to see. When they click this button, it goes over to your sales page. So this is a great way to promote Digital Wealth Pros or any other business opportunity you may have. Okay, So when you log in, just make sure you go to Get Start here and follow these steps. Okay, then right here you can get traffic, guys. Go to step 2. This is where I ordered my traffic from, and you can order traffic for your Digital Wealth Pros opportunity. You can send them straight over here if you like, but hey, this is a good way to get some good traffic here. Or you can send them here and link in your Digital Wealth Pros affiliate link on the back end, inside of the back office, so when folks opt in, they will see Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, so this is a feeder program, a lead magnet to lead people into your primary business opportunity. All right, guys. All right, so with that being said, let's get into Digital Wealth Pros. This is a perfect system, a way to make up to $1,500. It could be a day, it could be within a month, it could be every other week. Okay, they have a few different products that you can purchase. I like this video right here. This is a capture page that you can get. This system right here is $19.95 a month. All right, so let's go take a look at the products. All right, let's take a look here. Hang on. Okay, this program has digital products that you can access instantly. Okay, once you've made your payment and the person that you signed up with marks you paid, you'll have instant access to your digital products. These are products that's going to teach you and show you how to make money online. Doesn't matter what business opportunity you're in. All right, so they have different product levels. The bronze level products. This is the $200 level. It's $297 for this level right here, guys, and you're able to make $200 over and over and over. Now, mind you, they have a call center with this program too, so they're going to answer all your customers' questions, everything related to the sales process. You're not going to be involved in any of that. So they've got the bronze level products right here. So for $297, you get all this. This is video tutorial, okay, digital education. So you have your bronze level. The next one is the gold level products. All right, this one is $497. You're able to make $400 over and over every time you sell the gold level. Now, if you get the gold, if you come in and pay $497, guess what? Your bronze level is included. Okay, so now you're able to earn $200 and $400 commissions. All right, and if somebody, if you sign up as a bronze and someone purchases the gold, you're still going to make $200. Okay, but the other $200 will roll up to your sponsor if they're at that gold level. All right, next one is platinum. This is the $800 commission level. It's $997. You get all of this training, plus you'll get the gold and you'll get the bronze. Okay, so you're able to earn $800 commissions every time you sell that platinum level product. Okay, and look at all the training, guys. Let me move this over just a tad bit. Cash profits, developing, relentless, Facebook traffic, home business guru, paid traffic sources, productivity, mastery, ultimate brain health. I mean, that's a lot of good digital education here. Okay, so you're basically able to resell digital products. Education, okay, is definitely a lucrative business. Okay, and now we're talking digital marketing, so everything is instant access. All right, so you're selling digital information. The diamond level product, now this is the creme de la creme. Okay, this one right here, the diamond level, is $19.97. You're able to earn $1,500 commissions every time you sell the diamond level. Now this is what they call all in. When you spend $19.97, you get everything that I'm showing you on this page, all the products. Okay, so it's like an academy, if you will. You know how you take online courses, business courses, different things like that. Everything is online now. Folks don't even have to go to the campus. They can do everything online. So we got the same thing for the home business niche. Okay, so look at this: coaching authority, conversion blueprint, forum marketing, hashtag traffic. That right there, that is very popular. Hashtag traffic. Podcast blueprint. I see a lot of folks doing podcasts now. Secret traffic sources, 6 traffic methods. Traffic. You see traffic on here a lot because this is how you get people to look at what you're offering. Traffic is just visitors. How do I get people over to what I'm trying to promote? So that's what they're talking about. All these different sources, solo ad series, targeted traffic, another targeted traffic method, time management. That is key. The organized mind, video sales letters. Okay. So you get all this, guys. So you just decide where you want to get in. Okay. That's how that works. Now let's go take a look at, let me show you the sales page that I'm using. So those are the products. Now this is the sales page I'm using simply because I love the way it's presented. Okay. I love the way it's presented. So if you look here, this is the company's video right here, the same video that's on the Digital Wealth Pros website, but this is a third-party system. It's $19.95 a month. Right here, they put that video here, and then right here there is a webinar presentation that breaks this whole thing down so you can understand exactly how it works, how you're going to get paid, the whole 9. And then they just threw in a little extra, the back office. Well, how does that work? Most of the time you don't know how the back office looks until you actually join an opportunity, but they're giving you kind of a walkthrough of that. Okay, so this page right here piques the interest, gets people interested. Then if a person says, well, you know what, I have some more questions, okay, then they end up calling the call center. But this is how you're going to get involved anyway. You cannot join without calling the call center. Okay, nobody can sign you up. You have to call this number and then give them my ID, 442-89634. That's one of the major things that I love about the opportunities, because the sales call center is going to answer all your prospects' questions. You don't have to be involved in the sales process at all, but you will be notified from DWP if they're on the phone talking to one of your prospects, and they will send you an email if the person decides to sign up. Okay, and they'll let you know that, hey, this person just signed up. Here's their name, number, phone number, name, email, phone number, and they should be sending you a payment here shortly. So they do all that. It's like having a personal assistant, so to speak. Like, hey, I go out and I do the marketing, and then I bring the information in, and then you guys close them out and then just send me my money. Okay, so that's what this is like. You got your own call center, your personal call center. So that is how this works. I love the idea of this whole thing is automated. All you need to do is promote it, and you're able to earn $200 commissions, $400 commissions, $800 commissions, or $1,500 commissions, guys. And any way you want. You decide, how do you want to receive your payments? You just go in your back office and set that up. Okay, you let the system know. So when the call center is speaking to your people, they will send them your information that will specify how you want to receive your payments. Okay, so that puts all this on autopilot when you just send your traffic over and let the system do everything else for you. All right, so if you're looking for a way to make money online going into 2023, you're trying to decide, well, what should I get started with? I highly recommend this, because number one, the lowest commission you'll be able to make, guess what, is $200. Okay, whether you guys know it or not, some of your newbies, it takes the same amount of effort to promote a $100 opportunity, a $25 opportunity, a $1,500 opportunity, a $5,000 opportunity. It takes the same effort. Okay, so the lowest you can earn here is $200. All right, so I like that, and it's one system. All these are under one umbrella. So you don't have to go join a $200 opportunity over here and then go over here and join another opportunity that's paying $400. We've got low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket, all in one system, and a call center that's going to close all your sales for you. You can't ask for anything other than that. So your job is to market, 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 market. Okay, so you can use this page. Okay, the link is in the description. I'll put the link in the description for this. You can go to earnwithpandora.com and see this page, or if you want to get the mega marketing system, okay, you can do that. Go through my link in the description for that, and you'll still see DWP in the back office, okay, because I'm promoting all my opportunities in this system. When I promote these pages, it takes you to all my opportunities, okay, and some great traffic that you definitely want to tap into for whatever business opportunity you're promoting, guys. So go get the link, get your free system, get in DWP. A great way to kick off 2023 with an online business. I like to call it a phone-based business, because all I need is a phone. Once I set this thing up, start sending traffic to it, from that point, everything is going to come on my phone. The emails, the payments, everything I need will be right on my phone. So you can set up your own phone-based business. All right. earnwithpandora.com if you want this page. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, see you on the next video. You guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day.